Hey guys, Javier Antunes here with another Tattoo Theory Tuesdays. But today is going to be a little bit different. What we're doing is we're going to be closing out the first season of Tattoo Theory Tuesdays. We're going to be back later on in the beginning of the year. We're going to gather some more thoughts, gather some more theories, but I do want to leave you with something. Basically, look at all these videos we've done in the past, and what I want to kind of ensure that everybody does is just experiment, just explore. Don't be so fixated on one tiny little thing or one genre or one thing. Just kind of spread your wings, so to speak. The more you play around with things, how a lot of times I end up finding a lot of these kind of theories and a lot of these kind of techniques is just by plain out experimenting. I know that obviously at the end of the day, tattooing is a permanent venture, so to speak, but it's still good to kind of explore, test things out as you're going, really spread it out and the whole thing. So I definitely want to thank everybody for tuning in on all the Tattoo Theory Tuesdays for this first season. We will be back with a lot more and a lot more theories, so definitely check us out. As far as everything, all the products we had on all the other previous videos, they can all be found at darklab.com. And if you guys have any questions or any suggestions for future episodes, make sure to drop them on the comments down below, and we'll definitely get back to you, and we'll definitely give you guys a shout out for helping us out as well. So until next time.